guys, Lingane. So today I'm going to show you on how to drink your Indalo Ehle Herbs and Beyonds. So you only take 3 times a day. Njengoba nibona. Woo. I3 na right? Into lengtona advise ngayo ukuthi unathamani lamaningi. You need to take a lot of water. As you can see, I3, yeah. Just like that. Njengoba nginathe nyalekuseni, ngophinza nginathe emini sengingathanzambami. You'll see the results and you guys are going to thank me. Bye.